Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know that you can actually make money from Hollywoodbet or any betting platform you are using without you having to do the bettings yourself? Yes, it's very possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So if today is your first time coming across this page, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be using Hollywoodbet as an example. Alright, so in Hollywoodbet, that's what they call Hollywoodbet affiliate program. Hollywoodbet affiliate program is a program where you only need to refer people. You only need to refer punters, to sign in through your unique affiliate link. Hollywoodbet will be the one to give you this affiliate link, and this affiliate link, once you create the account and they approve your account, your affiliate link will be unique. So anyone that sign in through that link, the commission will go to you. Okay, the commission will go to you. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys. All right, so if you are interested, watch this video from the very beginning to the end. You are tired, you don't have money to be betting, right? So this program will be the best for you. I'm doing this program. It's one of the best program that can actually fetch you money if you do it the right way. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me show you guys how to register on Hollywoodbet affiliate, and in my next video I'll be showing you guys how you can promote this your affiliate link, okay, to thousands of people, okay, to sign in through your own affiliate marketing. The content you're gonna be using, everything you're gonna need, I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video how you can get that done. So go to Google and search for Hollywoodbet affiliates. So once you type that, a page like this will open. Once a page like this is opened, you can see there register, promote and earn. It's very simple guys. You register as an affiliate, then you promote your link, and then you make commission through your link, how many people that sign in. So here right now is where you have to choose your country. Which country are you in? If you're in South Africa, you choose South Africa. This part here is where you're going to choose your personal, fill out your personal information, your contact details, your home address, where you stay and all of that. Okay, the next page will be where you will the next page is where you will fill out your payment information. If you make some money, how are they going to pay you? So you have to fill it out, your banking your bank details, your bank swift code and all of that. If you don't know your bank swift code, you need to go to Google and search for your branch, search for your bank, your branch swift code they're gonna give you. If you're using FNB, if you're using Capitec, any of the bank you are using, it's very fine. Okay, search for it. You're gonna see it there, copy it and paste it there, put your account number, account name and all of that, right? So once you fill out your form finish, okay, so let's just hold on and see how it goes. You guys will see how the process is being done. As you can see, I'm filling out the forms right now. Okay, I'm filling out the forms right now. So once you are done with filling the form, all you need to do right here is just to click on that that arrow. It will bring you to this contact details. So this contact details is where you have to fill in all your contact details, your cell phone number, your home address, where you stay, and the city where you reside in, and all of that. Okay, you will find a place, a page, a box where they say that they need your website. Okay, don't worry about that. All you need to do is just to, if you have a TikTok account, just go and copy your TikTok link and put it right there. It's very fine. Where you see Skype, you can skip it, it's optional. Okay, just fill out the necessary ones that you need to fill out. So you fill it out, make sure everything is checked on green. Okay, don't make mistake about it. Make sure everything is checked on green. All right, as you can see there. Okay, as you can see there, make sure everything is checked on green. Okay, as you can see, I'm just filling out the boxes. Okay, you can see everything is showing on green. Okay, you have to give them the rightful information so that when they want to pay you, it won't be an issue. Okay, your email address, your contact. Okay, all right. So just take your time and fill out this form properly. Fill out the form properly. Okay, just fill out the form properly. So after filling the forms, you click on the arrow. It will take you to this page where you have to choose your country. Which country are you in? Okay, you choose your country. If you're in South Africa, you choose South Africa. Any place you are, just choose your country. Okay, your country where you reside. All right. So after that, it will bring you to this large page here where you will agree to their terms and condition, and make sure you choose the country. As you can see South Africa up there, you choose South Africa and you choose their times. You tick on their sign on to their terms and condition. Everything is checked on green there. That is the last part, and after that you get a message like this, which is many times. Okay, so now after you get a message like this is the last part. You have to wait for them to confirm your email. Okay, so once everything is confirmed, then you can now log into the dashboard of your affiliate program where you will get the link, okay, to the program. That link is where you will be referring people to click on and join Hollywoodbet. Okay, so that is it for this video. In my next video, I will show you guys, once you get your link, I will show you how you can promote that link using content. Okay, content you did not even create. All you need to do is just to copy and post, and people will check out your link on your bio and they're gonna register from there. All right, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like button and leave your comments. All right, if you have any question, leave it under the comment box. I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.